My name is Hostetler, and I'm the general manager here at Krupp Moving and Storage. 2 weeks ago, I reached out to Winston and his team. We were looking for an office manager. We were looking for someone that fit our culture, someone that is very detail-oriented. I gave him a laundry list of things that we were looking for in an office manager, and Winston and his team went to work. I'm telling you, literally 2 weeks ago when I reached out to him, Winston was on top of the ball, calling me on Sunday, even on Saturday. He was working really, really hard to find us a great candidate that will fit our culture. In 2 weeks, he sent me about 12 to 13 great candidates. So we found a really great lady that fit our culture really, really well. Very detail oriented, someone we really, really think that would take us to the next level. All of this would not be possible if we didn't reach out to Winston and his team at MoveUp. Look, I highly recommend these guys. These guys are rock star. And I know Winston for a while. This guy, I watch all of his videos on Facebook. This guy is the best. Like, he's such a good person. Like, if you are looking for someone or a company that you can trust that will come through for you, I guarantee you Winston and his team at MoveUp can be that company. I guarantee you. And these guys are absolutely fantastic at what they do. I can't say enough good things about these guys. They are just the absolute best.